Hi, first graders. For today's dictation, we're going to keep working on our CK word. CK makes the K sound. We see CK after a short vowel in a one-syllable word or a compound word. Okay? Number one, sock, sock. S-a-k, sock. S-a sock. Number two, jack, jack. J-a-k, jack. I'm putting a capital J because it's his name. J-a-k, jack. Number three, fleck, fleck. Full-e-k, fleck. Full-e-k, fleck. Number four, pluck, pluck. Pull-a-k, pluck. Pull-a-k, pluck. Okay, number five, lipstick, lip-stick. Our first syllable is lip, l-i-p, l-i-p, lip, and then stick, st-i-k, stick, st-i-k, stick, lipstick. Okay, let's read through the words we wrote today. Ready? Sock, jack, fleck, pluck, lipstick.